Hi there. Today I will be showing you 5 shortcuts to use in Microsoft Excel that will make your life really easy. This is Tech for Doctors and I'm Dr. Hemant Kumar. Let's get started right away. The first shortcut has two parts and they relate to navigating to the ends of our worksheet. Wherever in a worksheet you are, to go to the first cell, simply press Ctrl and Home and you will reach the very first cell of your worksheet. Similarly, to go to the end of your worksheet, press Ctrl and End and you will reach the last formatted cell in your worksheet. I have just highlighted these cells to show you the ends of our worksheet. Shortcut number 2 relates to navigating within a column. If you are in a very large column, let's say this one has 8,600 entries, going to the top means scrolling up for a very long time and it's tedious. Instead, simply click on the cell, press Ctrl key and the upward arrow and you will reach the top of that column. Similarly, if you are anywhere in that column and you want to go to the bottom, simply press Ctrl and downward arrow and you will reach the bottom of that particular column. The third shortcut relates to selecting within a particular column. Let's say we are here and we want to select all the cells till the beginning of this particular column. So press Ctrl, Shift and upward arrow and the entire column is now selected. Once these cells are selected, you are able to perform any type of formatting operations. For example, I'm here and I want to highlight all the gold medals. So I will press Ctrl, Shift, downward arrow. I have highlighted the entire cell and let's say I want to change the color of the row to this. I want to center align them and I want to change the color of the format to red. And there we go. All the formatting operations have been done. The fourth shortcut relates to formatting of a particular cell. To do that, click on the cell and press Ctrl+1. This opens up a dialog box which relates to formatting of that particular cell. It has all the options related to alignment, font, border fill, etc. So change the font. You wanted to change the fill of that particular cell or the alignment of that particular cell. You can simply do all of these by making changes in this dialog box. Control 1 is often used to change the type of number format that you have. Let's say you wanted to change the format of this particular date. So instead of this, you wanted the month to be displayed. You choose this particular format, click OK, and the format has changed. Shortcut number 5 relates to the find function. Press Ctrl F. This opens up a dialog box that allows you to find any character string, number, or any other character within the sheet. So let's say we wanted to find all the Michaels in the sheet here. Click Find Next to find the next Michael or Find All. You can click and this dialog box opens and you can see all the Michaels are here, and you to go to that particular cell, you simply click and you will reach Michael in that particular cell. I'm sure you would have liked these shortcuts. There are other videos in Excel as well that can make your life easy. For example, check out this video on how you can custom sort your data in multiple columns, and check out this video on how you can color code your data very quickly to analyze and make sense of your information. Till I see you next time, bye-bye from me.